By clicking on this mouse, I got paid $950 to pretty much do nothing. Okay, I actually lied. I actually did something, and what I did was to click on the link that says build my store.
I hated my 9 to 5, but when I found a side hustle that builds me a store while I sip coffee, I knew I was onto something.
So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to click on the first link in my video description. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to the interface you're looking at right now on my laptop screen. And this is where it says build your store, right? That's exactly what you need to click on, build my free store. I'm going to be doing this for completely free right now.
So here's what I did. I clicked one link, signed up, and in under 2 minutes, my store was live. No tech stress, no late night Googling. The crazy part? It already came stocked with 10 products that people actually buy. It's like ordering a pizza and finding out they threw in free fries.
So you click on this place, and what you need to do is that you can get a free Shopify store for free, right? So I'm going to put in my full name right here, my email address, my password, and hit sign up right now. I know I've said this before, but here are the things that you're going to be getting. AI build Shopify store for free.
We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video.
10 winning products proven to sell, high converting teams, ready to sell page, 100% profit. You keep 100% of the profit that you're actually going to be making on this particular platform. Now 24/7 customer support and premium apps and sales badges, right?
But a store without style is like a sandwich without cheese. Next, I'll show you how I picked a niche and gave my store some personality. This part's actually kind of fun.
So it brings you to this interface. Now, what we're going to be doing right here is basically pick a niche, right? So we're going to be picking a niche. So the niche is fashion and apparel, pets, electronic and gadget, whatever it is that you're actually interested in. Let's say I want to sell something in the electronics and gadgets, right? I'm going to select it.
I didn't overthink it. I chose gadgets, clicked a banner I liked, and in seconds my store actually looked professional. No design degree, no hours tweaking colors, just a few clicks and done.
Or I can click on I'm not sure. If you're not sure of whatever it is that you're actually ready to sell. So I'm going to hit done right now, and it's going to bring you to this interface. Now this way you actually choose the homepage banner for your free Shopify store. So what I'm going to do is to click the banners that I actually like. I like this and I also like this as well.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9 to 5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
So I'm going to hit done. And the next step is for us to create our Shopify account. So I'm going to click on where it says access Shopify, right? So it's going to take me to Shopify. Now, guess what? Before we actually came from Build Your Store AI, you are going to be able to create a Shopify account for just...
But here's the thing, a good-looking store is like a car without an engine. Next, I'll show you the move that powers it all up. Linking your store so it actually works.
Back to our Build Your Store website and click on where it says done. The next step is to link your Shopify account with your Build Your Store account. I'm going to click on where it says access Shopify, and it's going to bring me to this interface. So I'm going to copy this link right here, Ctrl+C to copy this. And I'm going to come back to Build Your Store and drop this link right here, right? And click on where it says save.
Linking build your store with Shopify was like flipping on the power switch. Suddenly my shop wasn't just sitting there. It could actually take orders, handle payments, and do all the serious stuff in the background while I just watched.
Okay, and this is done. I'm going to hit done. Okay, so I'm going to save this and hit done. right? And once we are done, the next thing is for us to grab our discount on Shopify. So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on where it says access Shopify, and it's going to take me to the Shopify website again. So you see that the cost is actually $32 per month, but we're going to be paying $1 per month for the next 3 months, right? For the next 3 days, it's actually free.
But here's the lazy secret. I didn't want to run this shop by hand. Next, I'll show you the robot helper that loads products, updates prices, and works while I sleep.
To install Auto DDS. Now, Auto DDS is a software that's going to automatically pull products from vendors like AliExpress and all of those things and bring it into our Shopify account, so that we don't have to do these things manually, right? So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on where it says install app. So what we need to do right now is to click on install right here, right?
This app pulled in products, kept prices updated, and tracked stock for me. No late night uploads, no messy spreadsheets, it just worked. Honestly, it felt like I'd hired an employee for less than the price of a coffee.
And this particular app is going to be installed inside our Builder Store account, right? So this will help us automate the dropshipping business, of course. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on where it says customize my store as soon as it's done installing. Now this is done, right? So the next thing for us to do is to register an account on AutoDS. So let's do that real quick. So I'm going to come here and click on where it says register to AutoDS. And it's going to bring me to this interface, okay? So what I need to do right now, I'm putting my email address right here, my full name. So once I fill that information, I'm going to click on where it says join now. So right here, it says select your selling channel. What channel do you want to use to sell? For us, we are using Shopify to actually make these sales.
But here's the thing. A smart store is useless if nobody can see it. Next, I'll show you the one switch I flipped to make my shop visible to the whole internet.
So right here, what we need to do right now is to publish our store so that it's available for everybody on the internet. So what we need to do is to click on where it says access Shopify to publish store. Right, once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface you're looking at right now on my laptop screen. So
I dropped in my details, turned off the password lock, and suddenly anyone could visit my shop, click buy now, and place an order. It felt crazy that a few clicks turned into a real working business online.
Right here, our store is not available to the public yet. There's something else that we need to fix. You need to come here where it says to let anyone access your online store, add your store address. We're going to be putting our store address right here. So I'm going to pull in my first name, my last name, the address, postal code, and all of this, right? And hit save. So let me do that real quick. So I've put in all of this, right? I can change your country or region right here. So I'm going to hit save right now.
But here's the problem. My link looked like a random math equation, something.myshopify.com. Next, I'll show you how I grabbed a clean professional domain name for free so my shop actually looked legit.
So look at this place where it says restrict access to visitors with password. I'm going to uncheck this, right? We don't want to restrict access to visitors with password.
So I claimed a free domain, hooked it up to my Shopify store, and within a day, my link looked clean and professional. Now, when people visit, it feels like a legit online business because it is.
Then I'm going to hit save down here or save on top of this place, whichever is completely fine. So I'm going to save this. It says online store is available to everyone. So if you click on view store right now, you'll be able to actually see what our store actually looks like. So, but I'm going to come back to build your store.ai.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program. And our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training. Completely free to watch training and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
So you want a professional domain right now. Let's go get that. So I'm going to come back to the Build Your Store website and click on done, and it's going to bring me to this interface where it says secure your free domain. That's what we're going to be doing next. Okay, so what you need to do is to put in your domain, the domain that you actually want, the store domain, of course, that you actually want right here. So I'm going to call it gamesandgadgets.com and hit save. Okay, so it shows that this name is already taken. So it's giving us other options: games and tools, sports and gadgets, web games, and this and that. So let's say I want to go with games and tools. So I'm going to hit select. Okay,
and that's it. 6 lazy moves, 1 working store. If I can do this with just a few clicks, imagine what you could build while sipping your own coffee. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.